Namaste, all of you.
We'll discuss a problem from construction of tangents to a circle from an external point from the exercise. The problem is draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. Let us start constructing this. Let us construct the tangents to the circle with the given data as a question. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter with center O. Draw AC a diameter a little extended towards C. Draw AC a diameter little extended towards C. Now given angle is 60 degrees. So in order to get the angle at the center as 120 degrees, I am constructing OL making an angle of 60 degrees with AO. That is angle AOL is equal to 60 degrees. In order to make that, I am drawing an arc at the center O. Without altering it, I am cutting the arc from this side and joining OL, which makes an angle 60 degrees. L as center, draw an arc with certain radius. Without changing the length of the radius, cut an arc inside. And again, cut this from here. Again, you cut the arc. Draw the bisectors from these 2 points and join L with that point of intersection and extend, which forms 90 degrees. In other words, you are constructing a tangent to a circle drawn from L. You can name this tangent as LM. Now, from C, draw an arc with suitable radius. Without altering the length, you cut that arc. Again, from the point of cut, you cut the arc further one more. Mark bisectors of from that arcs. Join C to the point of intersection and extend. Cn is the tangent to the given circle drawn, which cuts the previous tangent at a point P. PL, PC are the tangents drawn to the circle, which makes here the angle is 120 degrees. Therefore, this angle is 60 degrees. The required tangents drawn from exterior point P to the given circle, which makes the angle of inclination between them as 60 degrees. Hope you have understood this construction, right? Let us see the construction steps. Construction steps. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Draw any diameter AOC, little extended from C. Draw a radius OL such that AOL is equal to 60 degrees. Draw the perpendiculars from L and C which meets at P. PL and PC are the required tangents to the circle which are inclined at an angle of 60 degrees. Hope you have understood my presentation, right? More to come in the next videos. Thank you very much. You like my videos? Click like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.